Here's another really quick fix for one of the buttons on the Pod HD. If you've ever put the case on or stepped on it and accidentally broken off one of the buttons to control the parameters in the effects portion of the pod, here is a little way you can reinforce that and glue it back on so it hopefully won't break off again. So you see inside there's not a lot of way to get at the control there once the button's broken off, and glue itself doesn't always hold. But what I've done here is taken a piece of zip tie, and it's about the right width to fit inside the D-shaped hole of the button, and glued a portion of zip tie into that. And once that's dry, you can cut it to the right length, line it up with the D-shaped portion of the inside part of the button, and that way you'll be able to turn it, and the pressure of the turning is held by the zip tie, not by the glue. So now you can glue this inside there, and the glue itself won't have to take all the tension of turning. So hopefully that helps you out.